Welcome to our channel where you can watch a diverse range of content. In today's video, we will explore one of the world's wonders, the Egyptian pyramids, and interesting facts about it. Let's start it. The Egyptian pyramids are some of the most iconic and enduring symbols of ancient civilization. Built during the time of the Old and Middle Kingdoms of Egypt, these architectural marvels primarily served as tombs for pharaohs and high-ranking officials. The most famous of these pyramids is the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The pyramid's scale, precision, and grandeur have fascinated humanity for centuries, sparking curiosity about how such monumental structures could be constructed without modern technology. The primary purpose of the pyramids was to serve as elaborate tombs for Egyptian kings and pharaohs. Ancient Egyptians believed in an afterlife where the dead would live eternally. They thought that a properly preserved body and a well-provided tomb would help ensure a successful journey to the afterlife. The pyramids were part of a larger complex that included temples, shrines, and other structures, all designed to protect the pharaoh's body and possessions and provide a place where rituals could be performed. The pyramid's shape is thought to symbolize the rays of the sun, creating a connection between the pharaoh and the sun god Ra. The pyramids were not just tombs, they were also monuments to the divine nature of the pharaohs, reinforcing their god-like status both in life and after death. Building these massive structures was a remarkable achievement, considering the lack of advanced machinery. The exact methods used in the construction of the pyramids are still debated among historians and archaeologists, but several theories have emerged. Stone quarrying and transportation. The large limestone and granite blocks used in the pyramids were quarried nearby. Workers used simple tools like copper chisels, hammers, and dolerite stones to cut the stones from quarries. The stones, some weighing up to 80 tons, were then transported to the construction site, likely by a combination of sledges, rollers, and boats along the Nile River. Ramp systems. Ramps were the most plausible method used to raise the heavy blocks to the required heights. Several types of ramps have been proposed, including straight ramps, zigzagging ramps, and circular ramps. These ramps allowed workers to haul the blocks up to higher levels as the pyramid grew taller. Labor force. Contrary to the popular belief that slaves built the pyramids, evidence suggests that the workforce consisted mainly of skilled laborers, artisans, and seasonal workers. These laborers were organized into teams, well-fed, and housed in temporary villages near the construction sites. They worked in shifts, and it was considered an honor to contribute to these massive projects. One of the reasons the pyramids have survived for thousands of years is their unique design and construction techniques. Several factors have contributed to their endurance. Materials. The pyramids were built using durable materials like limestone and granite, which can withstand erosion, weather, and the elements. The outer casing of fine white limestone helped protect the underlying core from natural wear and tear. Engineering precision. The precision with which the blocks were cut and fitted together has helped the pyramids resist structural damage. The Egyptians achieved remarkably accurate measurements, aligning the pyramids precisely with the cardinal points of the compass and ensuring that the base was level. Desert environment. The dry and arid climate of Egypt has also played a significant role in preserving these structures. Unlike regions with more humidity and rainfall, the Egyptian desert offers conditions that minimize the effects of erosion and corrosion on stone. Alignment with star. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned with the constellation Orion. It is believed that this alignment was intentional, as the constellation was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. The Pyramid of Khufu Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, is the largest of all the pyramids. Originally standing at 146.6 meters, 481 feet, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Labor force, and not slaves. Recent archaeological evidence suggests that the builders of the pyramids were not slaves, but rather paid workers who lived in nearby villages. These workers were well fed and respected, receiving medical care and proper burial services. Hidden chambers and passages. Many pyramids have hidden chambers, passageways, and traps designed to thwart tomb robbers. Some of these chambers were discovered only recently using modern technology like ground-penetrating radar and thermal imaging. The pyramid shape. The pyramid's shape is thought to represent the primordial mound from which the Egyptians believed life emerged. It also symbolizes the descending rays of the sun, which the Egyptians associated with rebirth and resurrection. Missing outer casing. The original outer casing of the Great Pyramid of Giza was made of smooth, polished limestone, which reflected the sun's light and made the pyramid shine like a gem. Most of this casing has been removed over time and used in other construction projects in Cairo. The Egyptian pyramids are more than just ancient tombs. They are a testament to the ingenuity, skill, and perseverance of one of the world's greatest civilizations. Their construction techniques, precision, and alignment demonstrate the advanced understanding of architecture and mathematics in ancient Egypt. The pyramid's enduring presence in the modern era continues to inspire awe and curiosity, offering a glimpse into a time when humanity achieved the extraordinary without the aid of modern technology. If you found this video informative, please support us by subscribing, liking, and sharing it with your loved ones.